Goa Gajah Elephant Cave Temple in UBUD, Bali. It's located just 10 minutes outside of UBUD in Bali. Goa Gajah is a significant Hindu archaeological site. Goa Gajah is locally known as the Elephant Cave because of its close proximity to the Elephant River. Goa Gajah is thought to date back to the 11th century, although relics predating this time were found around the site much earlier. The first mention of Goa Gajah and the Elephant Cave was in the Javanese poem The Vasamana, written in 1365. Outside is a bathing pool, much like the one at Tirtha Empul Water Temple at Tampakesring. Pilgrims bath here under the 7 fountains that poured from the statues, representing the 7 great rivers of India. They were excavated by archaeologists, carefully brought down them to the light again in 1950. 6 of the 7 statues are still in its place. A mysterious cave relics, an ancient bathing pool set amid green rice paddies and garden lured tourists from the nearby UBUD. The leading theory suggests that Goa Gajah was used as a hermitage or a sanctuary by the Hindu priest who dug up by using his hand. As you enter through the dark narrow passage, the cave abruptly ends in an intersection. The right passage holds a small worship area with several stones lingam and yoni in honor of Shiva. And the left passage contains a small niche with a statue of Ganesh, the Hindu deity reminiscent of an elephant. The menacing entrance to the Goa Gajah looks like a demonic mouth, suggesting that the people are entering in an underworld as they venture inside through the dark caves. Some claim that the entrance represents the Hindu earth god Boma, while the others say the mouth belongs to the child-eating witch Rangada from Balinese mythology. Smart visitors climb the long flight of stairs down in the shady valley where a small waterfall awaits. The real draw of Goa Gajah is the beautiful surrounding. The Elephant Cave only takes a minute to explore. However, the rice fields, paddy, garden and the steps lead to the other beautiful setting. You do not need more than an hour to descend to its relic-filled courtyard and view the rock wall carvings, a central meditational cave, bathing pools and fountains. The remains of a crumbled Buddhist temple rest nearby. Ancient stones with carved reliefs lie strewn with boulders in the river as rushing water erases the history. The surroundings is a lush green, beautiful gardens with small ponds and flowering plants around. The entrance fee to the Elephant Cave is around 15,000 IDR, which is really cheap. And the Goa Gajah temple is open 7 days a week from 8 AM to 4:30 PM daily. Despite the ancient significance of the Elephant Cave, the last excavation took place during 1950. Many sites still remain unexplored. As you can see, pile of relics with unknown origins have been laid out in a surrounding garden in numerous areas. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please do share it. Thank you.